Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Google Sketchup. We will begin by exploring the user interface, which includes the large drawing area and various toolbars. You will learn to navigate the three-dimensional space using the orbit, pan, and zoom tools. We will then create simple two-dimensional shapes, such as a rectangle or a circle, using their respective tools. Finally, you will practice selecting objects and moving them around your model with precision. Now, let's transform our two-dimensional shapes into three-dimensional models. The push/pull tool is incredibly powerful for extruding faces to create volume. After creating several objects, you will learn to group them together, which is crucial for keeping your model organized and easy to edit. We will then add visual interest by applying various materials and colors. Finally, you will use the tape measure tool to ensure your dimensions are accurate, measuring distances and angles. Let's dive into some more advanced techniques to enhance your designs. The Follow Me tool allows you to extrude a profile along a complex path, perfect for creating intricate moldings or pipes. You will also discover the Offset tool, which creates parallel copies of lines and faces, useful for walls or borders. For better project management, we will explore organizing your model using layers and creating scenes for different views. Lastly, we will touch upon importing and exporting various file formats. To wrap up, here are some essential tips for becoming a proficient SketchUp user. Always remember to save your work frequently, perhaps every 10 to 15 minutes, to avoid losing progress. Mastering keyboard shortcuts will significantly speed up your modeling workflow, saving you valuable time. The 3D Warehouse is an invaluable resource, offering thousands of pre-made models and textures you can use. Consistent practice, even for just 20 minutes a day, will greatly improve your skills.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.